How to identify and fix a transmission fluid leak. When a transmission fluid leak occurs, it can lead to costly repairs and even permanent damage to your car's transmission system. In this video, we'll explore how to identify transmission fluid leak issues, common causes, and the options for repairing them. Recognizing transmission fluid leaks. Detecting a transmission fluid leak early on is essential to prevent extensive damage to your vehicle's transmission system. Ignoring a transmission leak can result in irreparable harm, leading to costly transmission repairs in the long run. 3 key indicators of a transmission fluid leak are puddle formation under the vehicle, shifting issues, and a burning odor. Transmission fluid is typically bright red and has a viscosity thinner than engine oil but thicker than brake fluid. One of the most evident signs of a leaking transmission is the sudden emergence of a fluid puddle beneath a vehicle when left unattended for prolonged periods. If you notice a red puddle under your car, it's important to act quickly. Examine the transmission pan gasket and other potential sources of leaks. If the leak source remains unidentified, place a clean cardboard panel beneath the vehicle to collect a few fresh drips for further analysis. Inadequate transmission fluid levels can lead to shifting problems in both automatic transmissions and manual transmissions. You may notice a delayed response upon gear shifts or an inability to shift at all. In some cases, the transmission may enter a limp home mode where it is confined to a single gear. To identify a transmission fluid leak, be vigilant for any puddles of fluid under your car and be aware of any burning odors. Inspect the cooling lines, gaskets, and seals for signs of damage. If the leak is minor, you may attempt to repair it yourself, but if it's major, it's best to seek professional assistance. A burning chemical-like odor may indicate a major transmission fluid leak. This typically occurs when the leaking fluid coats undercarriage exhaust components, resulting in significant burn-off. If you notice a burning smell while driving, it's essential to address the issue immediately. Failing to do so could potentially lead to transmission failure and costly repairs. Common causes of transmission fluid leaks. Transmission fluid leaks can occur for various reasons, such as damaged cooling lines, worn gaskets, and cracked seals. Damaged cooling lines. The transmission cooling lines, which are part of the internal components, are responsible for transferring automatic transmission fluid, ATF, from the transmission pan to a cooling chamber. This cooling chamber may be located either outside or inside of the radiator. These lines can develop leaks due to dry rot or physical damage. The degradation of cooling lines due to normal wear and tear can result in transmission fluid leaks. If a transmission line is leaking, it is recommended that the entire line be replaced. Replacing the entire line ensures a proper and secure connection, preventing future leaks. Worn gaskets. Gaskets are seals used to provide a secure connection between two surfaces. They can be made from various materials, including rubber, plastic, metal, and other materials. Worn gaskets can result in transmission fluid leaks due to their inability to create a tight and secure seal between two surfaces. Proper installation of gaskets is essential to guarantee that they provide a tight and secure seal between two surfaces, preventing transmission fluid leaks. It's also important to use the appropriate type of transmission fluid, as it has been formulated to be compatible with a particular transmission's heat and wear characteristics. Cracked seals. Transmission seals are designed to keep transmission fluid contained within the system. However, heat and age can cause seals to become brittle and crack, resulting in transmission fluid leaks and potential transmission leaks. If you notice a fluid leak and suspect it may be due to cracked seals, it's crucial to address the issue immediately. Regular inspection of your vehicle's transmission seals can help you detect potential leaks early and prevent more extensive damage. When faced with a transmission fluid leak, you may wonder whether it's best to fix the issue yourself or seek professional help. The decision largely depends on the severity of the leak, the materials and tools required, and the estimated cost and time for the repair. By understanding the pros and cons of each approach, you can make an informed decision that best suits your situation. To evaluate the extent of the transmission fluid leak, you can 1. Check the dipstick for fluid levels. 2. Inspect the area for evidence of fluid puddles or stains. 3. Utilize an automotive leak detection kit with fluorescent dye and a UV light to identify the source of the leak. If the leak is minor, you may be able to address it yourself. However, if the leak is more severe or if you're unsure of the source, it's best to seek professional assistance. A trained mechanic can accurately diagnose the issue and recommend the most appropriate course of action. If you decide to tackle the transmission fluid leak yourself, you'll need a range of tools and supplies. These may include a vehicle-specific shop manual that provides detailed instructions on how to repair your vehicle, along with a list of necessary parts and tools. The cost of repairing a transmission fluid leak can range from $150 to $1,000, depending on the severity of the leak and the type of repair needed. Factors that influence the cost of repairing a transmission fluid leak include the source of the leak, the model of the vehicle, and the type of shop undertaking the repair. Regular maintenance and inspection of your vehicle's transmission fluid can help you avoid future leaks and costly repairs. By ensuring proper fluid levels and monitoring for any signs of leaks or other issues, you can keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. It's essential to check your vehicle's transmission fluid levels during oil changes and top off as necessary. If you notice any signs of leaks or other issues that could lead to a transmission fluid leak, it's important to address them promptly. For most vehicles, it's recommended to replace transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. However, if you often haul a considerable amount of weight, it's advised to replace the fluid as soon as 15,000 miles. By staying on top of routine maintenance, you can minimize the risk of transmission fluid leaks and costly repairs. Detecting potential transmission fluid leaks early can save you time and money in the long run. By regularly inspecting your vehicle's transmission fluid levels, seals, and other components, you can identify any issues before they become more severe. An automotive leak detection kit with fluorescent dye and UV light can be a valuable tool for pinpointing the source of a transmission fluid leak. By addressing leaks early, you can prevent further damage to your vehicle's transmission and avoid costly repairs down the road.